Let's go for the group discussion, and the topic today we can take for GD is planning for future wave of pandemic. Planning for future wave of pandemic. That is the topic. Planning for future wave of pandemic. So we will be going for GD in 3 rounds. First round will be introduction by each one of you for 2 minutes. Second round will be discussion among you for approximately 10 minutes. Third round will be conclusion by each one of you for 1 minute. So marks will be given for your clear thinking, very straight point to the point discussion, examples maybe, data, and smooth discussion. So this is what is expected. So I give you 30 seconds and then we start the discussion. Planning for future wave of pandemic. Okay, so I think we can start now. So Priyal, I think we can start from your side.
Yes. Good morning, friends. My name is Priyal, and it gives me immense pleasure to open the introduction of this topic. The topic that we have been given today is how we will deal with the upcoming waves of COVID. So I think the second wave of COVID has taught us many things. We have seen how the medical system of the country has entirely collapsed, and it is a devastating scene. So I think all we need to do now is to convert these lessons into preparedness of the upcoming waves. We are seeing that how the fourth wave in Japan, which is happening currently, has devastated Japan entirely. So firstly, we should not have any thinking like that the upcoming waves are of small magnitude. They can be equally dangerous. So we just have to convert these lessons into preparedness. And now how we will do it, we will be discussing it further. And I hope it will be a very fruitful discussion. And here I pass on the discussion. Thank you.
Okay. Vinayak?
Good evening, friends. My name is Vinayak. I take an opportunity to start the discussion. Friends, today's topic given for us the discussion is planning for the future wave of pandemic. And in my opinion, this is the current relevance topic. And this planning for future wave pandemic, this planning, we can see that it is not about this pandemic, but for every situation or whatever it may be, there must be a planning, because due to this planning only this second wave came. And due to the second wave, we can see that there is very less of oxygen. But in future, it may be in third wave that there may be doctors may be less. So in that way, we should plan accordingly, so that now medical emergency is there in the oxygen. But in future, it may be due to doctors, nurses, because in India we have around 80,000 ICU beds only. So in future, and daily we are getting around 2.5 lakhs cases. So we need to increase the ICU beds, because before pandemic we had a lot of time between the first and second wave, but we have not
okay, Vinayak,
not thinking about.
2 minutes are over. So let's go for Gaurav. No.
Thank you for providing the opportunity for this GD. The topic is planning for future wave of pandemic, and I am happy to deliver that. I want to add the real statement that we should learn from the Japan outbreak. Obviously, we should learn from there, and the most important thing, our government should provide the data to the researchers and scientists so that they can predict what could happen next. Another thing. This COVID has been spreaded in rural areas of most part of the countries. So in rural areas, we have a scarcity of medical equipment that we need in such scenarios. And also in rural areas, we need to awareness. It requires a awareness that people should use mask and sanitizer all the time, and we should increase medical facility as much as possible. Apart from that, vaccination, this is the most important thing that we need to provide to all the citizens of our country. And now this could happen that big pharma company should collaborate with a small pharma company, and under the policy of make in India, we should generate a vaccination and people should get vaccinated as soon as possible in every part of the countries. Apart from that, doctors, nurses, and middle nurses, they should take all the time of awareness, because awareness is one thing that we should prevent from third wave and fourth wave.
Okay. 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 So Devender, for you, let me tell you, topic is planning for future wave of pandemic. Planning for future wave of pandemic. Rahul, go ahead.
Good evening, friends. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce this topic. It is a very relevant topic, planning for the future waves of pandemic. Actually, one thing we need to understand, every pandemic, even the oldest recorded pandemic, that is the Spanish flu, struck 1812, in the year of 1812. The pandemic hit in waves. Every pandemic hit in waves. So we really need to understand this. This is a very important point, because in between two peaks, we get time to prepare for the next peak. So in between the two, we get time. So we need to utilize the time very efficiently. Otherwise, the extension of the peak may be high. The impact of the peak may be high. So we need planning in every level, in administrative level, medical supplies, medical level, this research and modeling, even economics, and even in personal level. So we need planning in every level, and we shall discuss how in detail through this discussion. Hopefully, this discussion. So that's all.
Okay, Devender.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Devendra Pandey, and our today's topic of discussion is planning for future waves of pandemic. In my opinion, it is of current relevance, and it is a very good topic. And we believe that if we learn something, if we have some learning from our past, then that will be the best thing for having a planning for future. We should never forget that do gaj ki duri, mask hai zaruri, and whatever we do, we should always focus what we have, what are the things that we missed at the last time, whether it is in the terms of vaccination, or whether mutations which are coming, or the doctors, the medical facilities, all these things should be taken care of.
Great.
And now we think we are
Okay.
open for discussion.
Okay, so we have completed the first round of introduction, and now we enter into second round, where you all are to talk with each other, and you are to listen to others, and you are to give your own points, so that we can conclude well at the end, that is in the third round. So now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
Good evening, guys. I would like to initiate this discussion. I think, guys, there are a total of 3 major aspects which I can think of. Firstly is improving our predictions. Then when the wave is going to occur, that will happen if we get the real numbers. So we need to improve the surveillance. Point number 2, I think we need to have more workforce in terms of doctors and nurses and all the medically associated people. Thirdly, I believe the vaccines. Not that we should export it, but at least we should be self-sufficient. So I think these are the 3 major areas.
Adding
I
to
agree
your
with
point,
the
Priyal,
statement, but,
I wish to say that we should also focus on one more thing, that people awareness. Although we all are aware with the pandemic and its situation, but we tend to lose it out, and we forget it, whether it's Mahakumbh or political parties and all. So adding to your point, this
So
would
I
be
think
also
more
I would like to
stringent measures could be one of the ways of cutting off the leniency of people. Yes,
I'm
so
agreeing
more
with
strict
Priyal, and
lockdown.
I would like to add one more
Leniency
point
should
to
be better, but
the genome this modeling. We need to focus on genome sequencing as well, sero survey and genome sequencing. What if a new mutant emerges and we don't know till the mutant surpasses a very large amount? So we need to terminate the mutant at the early stage. For that, we need to establish genome sequencing in every region of India.
Yes, that is only the criteria by which we can know that how the mutations are happening. We should
Exactly.
also do sero surveys also. That will
Exactly.
surely help.
yeah, mutation is a deadly combination of coronavirus. So obviously we should work on mutation, that our doctors and scientists have given the decision that in the first step we should take the action. Then obviously we can work. We are able to save ourselves, because it is very important to work on the first step for the mutation. And another thing, that in rural areas there is a lack of mobile and multimedia sets for the old people, that in a new generation they are aware of all these things, but old people it is very difficult to make him understand. So this is the time that we need to make him understand, especially for the old person and child.
Exactly.
Yes.
I
There's
agree with
also
Gaurav,
one more
I-
point that
I
I would
want
like
to
to
say
add is
that,
that we need to be also aware about what are the internationally accepted new models and new technologies which are coming in and new vaccines. And for that, I think we need to have proper and more effective international relations. How other countries are tackling COVID, we should be up to date.
Actually, I agree with Priyal, and we need to fast track the vaccine approval policy a little bit. Pfizer is still not getting it is accepted in more than 100 countries. So still in India, Pfizer is not getting approval very fast. Actually, one thing we need to understand is in UK, actually, they are passing the third wave right now, and the third wave was little mild compared to the second wave because of the vaccine policy. They were able to vaccinate more than 50% of their population, and the wave was very mild. So we can
yes,
also.
friends, by adding to your point about the vaccination, we should also think your earlier point also that mutation are happening. So we should modify our vaccines according to the mutations
Yes.
which are happening.
I agree.
I want to add one
Guys,
point that
one-
to increase the vaccination, there must be some nurses and doctors must also increase. So accordingly, we should plan. So here we can see that so many students are final year in medical side. There should be given preference, or like they should be given as an internship training, so that it will be useful for us also and for them also. It will be in future
Yes,
also
I
they will have a
totally
lot
agree
of
with
experience.
Vinayak here,
There
because
are
I think
many
what is
graduates
happening now
also
is
who are
doctors are
preparing
getting
for post-graduation
overburdened.
also.
They have the burden of the entire hospital on them. One doctor is handling so many patients. The entire
Yes,
hospital,
doctors,
2 or 3
we
doctors
cannot-
are
it
we
is
handling.
cannot
said that around
train-
150,000 doctors are lagging in our country, and
No,
around
actually-
2 lakh nurses are lagging. Adding
Actually,
to
there is
Vinayak's
an
point,
already
I
law.
can say that we can add more number of people by taking the advantage of those graduate doctors who are preparing for post-graduation.
Yes,
By
Actually,
giving
one
maybe
thing
them some
we-
internship
bonus in the exams
opportunities can
also.
help here.
We can avoid the burden here. One thing we need to understand here: we cannot train a doctor overnight or within
Yeah,
1 week or 2.
those
But we can
graduates,
train.
we are
But there
talking
is a
about
thing:
graduates.
if we can train ASHA workers and accredit maids, we can train them very fast, and we can train more of them. And if there is a good ASHA worker workforce, then we will be able to get it controlled. And actually, in Kerala, the ASHA workers have done a marvelous job to control the pandemic. So
I think
that,
online workshops can help here.
exactly.
Online workshop, I can say nowadays every citizens are doing with by researching where oxygen are required, where beds are available or not on the WhatsApp group. So citizens of India are helping to those that is need. So according as per ASHA worker, doctors and nurses, there is requirement of medical equipment as well, because in some point I have seen that doctors and nurses are available, but oxygen are not available.
Exactly.
Their
Adding to
medicine,
Gaurav's
medicines
point
are
that
also not
there
available.
is a need
So
of
these things are also
communication.
important.
Yes,
Guys,
Gaurav,
also one thing that
whatever
I
we
have
were
observed is
saying,
people around me have become very casual. They are saying that third and fourth wave are going to be very mild. They are not going to be very deadly. So I think there is a certain casualness in people, and that should be included in the awareness program.
One more
It
thing is
can
that
be equally deadly.
if we vaccinated more people, there's a chance that they may become a more complacent, or they may
Yes.
become more casual. Actually, the vaccination only gives 60% proof, 60% security from the vaccine, this virus. And one more thing is that if we are not able to vaccinate more of the people within a very fast time, then the current vaccines may not work for the upcoming mutants. So we need to move very fast. That is
Yes,
And we
adding
should
to
not
your
remove
point,
this.
that there was one learning from the past that we had oxygens also at some places, and at some places we were not having oxygens. But there was not a single portal by which we can see or think that where we should go, where is a lack of oxygen, where there is a plasma. Although now plasma is removed from the therapy, but we were not able to understand that where are the resources and where we should go. So there should be one portal also. We should plan one portal. The government should plan it also.
And I want to add that we should not remove this lockdown as suddenly, because last time also we have removed the lockdown. Due to that only the cases were increased. Now we can see that if the lockdown is there, the cases may coming down. But once again, we will give relief from the lockdown once, means the cases will increase, so that we can see that lockdown should be there and there must be relief, but it should be slowly. It should take months. They should not remove directly, so that it will be not affected. So if we lockdown is there and somewhat, so we will
So I
be
think initially,
Although
like
last
we
year
used
also the
to
same thing
gradually
happened.
release the lockdown in stepwise. Like
yes,
first
Yeah,
yes,
last
level
year
one
exactly.
will
also
release,
the
level
same
two will
thing
release, like
happened,
that.
but when there was total release, there were 4 phases of lockdown removal last year also. But when there was total relief, then we felt that now COVID gone. Then we should not think that steps. We have already taken steps of removing in phases last year also,
Friends,
but
I think
it
here
didn't
the
help
government
in that
subsidy
way.
can also help. Like they are cutting off the GST in the oxygen concentrator. So I think that can also help here.
Okay.
Absolutely real,
Yes.
but in somewhere you can see there are some people who are making black marketing for medicine,
Hmm.
oxygen, and other availability. Government should also take action against these things.
Yes,
actually
totally
the
agree.
Government
reason
should
for
take
black marketing is
action.
actually the reason for black marketing is we don't have a foolproof medicine still now. 1 month back it was remdesivir. Now they are talking about DRDO medicine, and people are buying whatever they actually. We are not able to stabilize the production because of this. Without this, the
There is
foolproof
a need of
results.
proper supply chain for that, so that it
No,
reaches to
medical
the
procedure is still ambiguous in many part of the country. Somewhere
whether
plasma
it's
is used in
plasma or
some
remdesivir or
remdesivir.
Okay.
It is
I think
not
we should
uniform.
go for now the third, that is the conclusion part. So we start now conclusion. Again from your side, Priyal, please conclude
Yes,
the
sir.
discussion now. Yeah.
Sir, we have concluded that for being prepared for the upcoming waves, we must learn from the past mistakes. We have committed several mistakes, and now we are thinking how we can convert these lessons into preparedness. So, firstly, is the vaccine production. We need to step it up. We need to be self-sufficient. Second is we should change the tendency of people and the casual tendency. For that, we can give awareness programs and some stringent lockdown measures. Next is we should be updated with the all new technologies. So for that we need good international relations. If government can help with subsidies and all, with proper actions and uh, proper utilization, I think that can also help. So these were the points.
Okay. Now next, Vinayak.
Okay, friends, I take an opportunity to conclude the discussion. We had a very fruitful discussion and everybody gave their own points. For example, you can say that Payal has said that we should improve the production and some workforce also we should increase. And as Gaurav said, there is a black marketing that also we should decrease. And Rahul also said that online workshop will work more, so that we should do that also. And Devendran said that there must be an oxygen is reduced and some black market is also going on. So everybody gave their own points, and we should be prepared that how we should be there for next pandemic, and the vaccination also should improve.
Great. So next is Rahul.
Thanks for the opportunity to conclude this discussion. We have a very, very smooth discussion. We almost discuss all the parts of this topic. For example, Priyal started this discussion by saying that the three concept main pillars: vaccine, modeling, and behavioral of the behavior of the person to behavioral aspect of the person. And Gaurav said about the black market and the oxygen supply. Even the oxygen supply, how to stabilize the oxygen supply. We had a brief discussion. Vinayak said about the shortages of doctors and lockdown. How to ease the lockdown in stages. Vinayak said about that. Devendra said about the training of the doctors, vaccine strategy, and all these things. So we had we touched almost all the parts, I think. That's all.
Okay, Gaurav.
So we had a fruitful discussion with our participants, and absolutely discussion about the learn from mistakes. Another thing that vaccination should be done more and more, and also our country should involve in production. Another thing, awareness in rural areas, and to provide medical facilities including doctors. And one of the participants said important point among that doctors who are doing postgraduate and PhD that can involve in COVID, and they can help to their patients. So these are the things that our participants said, and that is a fruitful discussion about this.
Okay, Devendra.
Thank you, sir. Sir, our discussion was really fruitful, and really started with three things that about vaccination and other two measures. Then Gaurav told about black marketing and how to deal with the rural population. And in this way, we have concluded a very fruitful discussion and reached to the consensus that we should learn from the previous past and apply it in planning for future.
Okay, so let me tell you today you had a really good discussion. That is what all I should say. I think you were well prepared with the topic, and the topic is very relevant, very important topic, and not only GD topic, but otherwise also we should be aware. And I think I should say that you were well prepared for this discussion today, and all the three parts you have discussed. Now let me give you brief about your individual this thing. If I come to Priyal, then Priyal's in the introduction, he said upcoming waves cannot be taken as light, and that is what has happened. So we need to learn from our mistakes in the past, and in the future we have to be more cautious. So that was introduction was good, but only thing is you need to stick to structure, Priyal. If you don't know the topic sometime, so how to manage is structure only will save you if you don't know the topic. So structure पे grip तुम्हारा भी कम है. Structure वही होता है कि good morning friends, my name is Priyal, and the topic given for the discussion today is planning for future waves of pandemic. So friends, this is a very relevant topic, at least for India, because we somewhere made mistake, and in the second wave we basically suffered because of that. So third wave के लिए we have to be ready. तो structure जो होता है ना यार, that actually saves you. वो structure part में तुम miss कर रहे हो.
Yes.
बीच वाले पार्ट में आपने बहुत से अच्छे पॉइंट दिए, दैट आपने इनिशिएट भी किया, दैट initiation part was there in you. More workforce is required, more doctors, more vaccine, we need self-sufficient, we have to become internationally, we have to take the help, and we have to make international relation. Very true, people should not become casual. So बीच वाला पार्ट सही था. कंक्लूजन में अगेन आप स्ट्रक्चर भूल गए. कंक्लूजन में तुम्हें अपने ही पॉइंट्स दोबारा रिपीट मार दिए. कंक्लूजन में ये नहीं करना होता है कि conclusion was internationally, people casual हो गए. Again you said your own points in conclusion without bothering about what others said. So that was the mistake in conclusion from your side. So I will say, Priyal, you have a good thing, but structure पे mastery करो जल्दी से. Structure तुम्हें fail नहीं होने देगा. So if you ask me, sir, कि we don't know any topic, then how I can survive even if I don't know the topic? Answer is structure is only going to save you even if you don't know the topic. But structure पे practice कर लो एक बार ढंग से. Structure ऐसा होता है. This is how I'm to do it.
Yes.
Now if I come to Vinayak, then Vinayak started introduction, and he said that medical emergency can come, and this time the problem can be different. I mean, ICU will not be there, or maybe ICU will be there, but doctors will not be there. So that is what he said, and ICU beds की problem आ जाएगी. So Vinayak said that different kind of problem can come. So we need to plan that in advance. Now in the second part, Vinayak could not speak for long. I mean, जब discussion start हो गया तो विनायक बहुत देर तक inertia में रहा. Vinayak, you are not to be inertia. You need to make your presence feel. You know, you need to come again and again and again. Make your presence feel. That is very important. So he said that increase the vaccination. That is the only thing we should do. And doctors and nurses we have to plan. That is what Vinayak said. And conclusion part was good because Vinayak could talk about others. So I think Vinayak was listening carefully to others. but Vinayak was having inertia or hesitation in participation. See, GD way you have two challenges. One is you have to attentively listen to others, and you have to participate also. You cannot only participate without listening others, and you cannot listen and not participate. You cannot do that. दोनों चाहिए तुम्हारे पास, एंड वो दोनों तभी आएंगे अगर तुम फुल कंसंट्रेशन के साथ बैठे हो और तुम्हारी प्रैक्टिस भी है, वो तभी हो पाएगा. राहुल की बात
इन बिटवीन में आना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था.
वो प्रैक्टिस से आएगा विनायक. It will come with practice.
Okay.
That's the reason. No, there are certain things which only come with the ritualistic practice, like vocabulary learning. If I ask you vocabulary versus physics, which one is a difficult subject, or maths? Answer is physics and maths. But why people have very poor vocabulary that way? Because physics and maths is आज एक दिन पूरा बैठोगे तो शाम तक physics का concept clear हो जाएगा. जैसे हम लोग मारते हैं, नाइट आउट मारते हैं, पूरा रात को पढ़ते रहते हैं and all. वोकेबलरी वैसे नहीं होता. वोकेबलरी वगैरह ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, कम्युनिकेशन वाले सब्जेक्ट्स, जीडी, इंटरव्यूज, जो आस्ता 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 रिचुअलिस्टिकली होते हैं. सो दे आर स्लो एंड स्टडी wins the race in these cases. So you need to go for these repeat, every week 2 to 3 times GD you are doing, you are reading and you are sticking to that, you will become wonderfully good. And I tell you, I don't know with what purpose you guys are preparing for this, but I tell you, this gives a lot of confidence and communication and personality development, it is called. So wherever I make you stand, you can speak something. That is what is the personality. So tomorrow you'll be executive, you'll be at one level, middle management level, like Gaurav Gupta is at the middle management level, so he's to now get promotion. And even I have seen people at the directors level, they are to go for even higher positions. So what saves you there is these kind of communications. So this is not basically required for passing some exam, not that. There is very narrow vision for us if we do that. As a teacher, it helps me. As a teacher, it helps me to guide students, to help students. There's knowledge here and there. I keep on reading newspapers, so that helps me to guide students. So this is helping me in my teaching profession, this particular activity. And that is the reason this is my favorite activity. Though it's entirely different. I'm a professor of mechanical engineering and maybe physics and something else. But why I'm come to this? Because it helps actually. Gives you a new dimension to your personality. You can speak, you can think, and that part actually you need to acquire. Slow and steady, it will come, Vinayak. You need to participate, right?
Okay.
Conclusion was good. Now, if I come to Rahul, then Rahul said that between two peaks, we get the time to prepare. He came out with a different aspect. So why I say that your GD today was really good, because everybody was coming out with a new point, knew something good. And normally 10 minutes slot I normally go out. I don't listen to you. Maybe you don't know this thing actually. I vanish sometime and do my work and come back. But today I could not go actually, because you guys were giving so good points. I could not go actually. Otherwise I go sometime, I catch water, I catch something to eat and I eat, and then I come back after taking a round. Okay, let these guys practice and then I'll come. So you see, but today I could not go out, right? I thought, okay, they are giving so nice points. Whenever I was feeling like going, something good was coming. So I thought, no, keep on noting here. The guys are giving so good points. Rahul also gave very good point. Then in between he said about genome sequence and mutant termination is to be done. That was again good. Pfizer ka he gave American companies why we are not getting approval. Very good point. UK ka third wave because of this, and 50% they have vaccinated, and third wave in UK they could defeat. Very good point. ASHA workers are to be trained. Very good point. So Rahul gave wonderfully good points in between. And at the end, Rahul, you concluded well, but I tell you, you are going on one extreme. Priyal was one extreme. He did not mention anybody else. And Rahul, you were another extreme. You mentioned everybody else. So it should not look like that in conclusion you are telling, okay, he said this, he said this, he said this. Not that way. It should look like conclusion, Rahul. In your case also, it was not looking like conclusion. It should look like conclusion in the sense that, okay, we had a great discussion here. Many good points came up. So the planning for the future wave of pandemic, what we should do is like, obviously after second wave wanes, after second wave peak comes down, which now we are feeling that it is coming down, we will get some time. But this time should be utilized for vaccination. Like Gaurav said this, and Vinayak said this, Priyal said, this is how it should look like. It is not that it is your responsibility to mention each name and then tell what he said. Not that. It should look like conclusion, Rahul.
Sir, actually, it should be like a Devendra's conclusion, I think. He said,
yeah. I'll come
underline
to that.
He said.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll come to that. So then Gaurav mentioned about rural areas. See, he talked about rural areas. I don't know. He mentioned about the children also, but very briefly. I was expecting this point also, that third wave may be hitting children. We need to be very cautious. That will be the most painful, because adult dying, old man dying, maybe not be painful. Kid dying, and kid, he cannot. Poor guy, he cannot even feel, and that is very most painful actually. So that is the third thing which we have to prepare for. Going to rural India where people are not aware, and health facilities are not there. So he talked about Make in India for medicine. Actually, he could link Make in India program with medicine. So that was the best point. And he talked about mutation in between, awareness of old and children awareness. Medical equipment are required. That is what he said. And yes, conclusion was also good. So Gaurav, I'll say today was your very best outcome. I think you are totally relaxed today.
Thank you.
So yeah, you look like totally relaxed, and you prepared also. And
Yeah,
this is how you should do. Now this is how you enjoy.
Yeah.
See, after this, you have a good sleep. Even I have a good sleep after all this very good session. We should really prepare well and then discuss. So it should look like we have invested some time. I tell you honestly, I have not gone through that paper which I sent you in the morning. I did not read it, and I did not waste any time to read it. I thought, why should I read it? Let these guys read it. They will tell me at the end what is happening, and beautifully explained. So now this one full page I have what I can sum up, and I can really very beautifully now explain and make a video also now. Very nice video for explaining about the third wave. Really very good points. Devendra said, okay, learning from the past and we should plan for the future. That's a very good line Devendra started with, and he talked about the people awareness is to be given, how awareness to the people is to be given, and yes, conclusion part was also very good. That part was also nicely done. So I will say that this was the best performance from all of you so far. Keep preparing, and remember one thing, like whenever you come for GD, then come well prepared. Structure to तैयार कर ही लो, topic की preparation भी करके हम आएंगे, लेकिन टॉपिक आपका मे बी के you know the topic, you may not know the topic in actuality. So prepare in such a way that even if you don't know the topic, you deliver nicely. What happens is, I tell you my own experience as a teacher, experienced teacher and inexperienced teacher. When the teacher is inexperienced, he starts teaching, he prepares a lot about the subject, he prepares everything. But since he does not have experience, that lack of experience is reflected in his teaching. Some question comes, he is not in position to defend himself, and he makes a mistake, though he has prepared a lot. With passage of time, what happens, like the teacher becomes old, very experienced, his knowledge may not be, new knowledge may not be there, but he develops the tactics. So whenever some question is asked to him, he will handle that. Even if he knows it or does not know it, he will handle it. So then you will never feel that his teaching may students will get dissatisfied. Similarly, it does not become the question of knowledge then. It becomes delivery improves. So your delivery should be such that even if you do not have knowledge, or if you do not have some particular point to be said, even then you score good in the GD, and nobody is in position to say, okay, he has not delivered nicely. So I told you that your gestures, posture, speaking skills, talking skills, everything should be reflected. And it goes long term in your career, I tell you. Even dressing sense, I tell you. Dressing, how you dress up, how you talk, how you sit, how you do, everything that matters. This is what you have to prepare. Now, all from my side, and anything you want to tell or ask.
So, about my conclusion parts, do I need to conclude in a underlined sentence like?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, हर किसी का नाम नहीं ना लेना है, ऐसा conclusion बोलना है.
No sir, the underline, we had a consensus and we all agreed that we need planning, and we have.
We really had good discussion and many good points came up. Many good points came, and now to summarize what the points were. So we all agreed that yes, third wave ke liye we should prepare, and we may get time, but yes, we also agreed that there's a genome mutation, that is we have to do it. And we also felt that yes, we need to have infrastructure. Now this time infrastructure may not be oxygen cylinder, it will maybe doctors and nurses, so we need to think of that now. And we need to plan on the basis of our past experience. We need to plan for future. We need to learn from other countries also. Priyal gave very good point that he said that yes, we should not take it casually, and he said that yes, we should now vaccine everybody, and that is something which will save me. Pfizer, so Rahul का वो point था, genome वाला point था, Pfizer वाला point था, and then Gaurav said that okay, rural area and children are to focus now in the third wave. So this is how you should say.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?